everyone, this is me Priyanka. Welcome back. We are here after 3 days and hope you are doing your work sincerely and spending your time by watching virtual classes. So today we are going to start our recap of the chapter. Let's start our class now. Okay, as you all know, we were doing lesson 3rd animal world. Today we are taking a recap of this chapter. As you all know, different kinds of animals live in different types of places, right? Some animal lives on land, some animal lives on trees, some animal lives in water, and some animals live under the ground. Under the ground means ground ke niche. Some animals fly in the sky. Animals fly in the sky are birds and insects. So here, one by one, we will discuss about each animal. And so firstly, we are doing animals like rabbit, lion, penguin, elephant, monkey, kangaroo, and tiger. So the first is rabbit. Rabbit is a hopping animal. Rabbit is a hopping animal. Clear? It hops on one foot. Now, lion. Lion is a wild animal and it lives in a den. It lives in a den. Correct? After this, penguin. Penguin is a bird. Penguin cannot fly. It is a bird, but it cannot fly as it has weak wings. And penguin walk and swim with penguin walk only, and it swim with their wings, but it cannot fly. Like this, ostrich also cannot fly because ostrich has also weak wings. Is it clear? Okay. After this, next is elephant. Elephant is a very big animal. It walks on the land. It walks on the land. It is a very heavy animal. Elephant body बहुत ज़्यादा heavy होती है. After this, monkey. Monkey, it is a small animal. And the next is kangaroo. Kangaroo, it's world's largest hopping animal. It can hop, or we can say it can jump, as means सबसे ज़्यादा long jump यही करता है. So now that after this is next tiger. Tiger, it is a big animal. Now I will show you a small video clip of these animals, so it will make you better understand.
Rabbits, hop, hop, hop. Penguin, penguin, walk, walk, walk. Lion, lion, run. Elephant, elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. Monkey, monkey, scratch, scratch, scratch. Kangaroo, kangaroo, jump, jump, jump. Tiger, tiger, run!
Hope you all enjoyed that video clip. Now, what is the need for animals to move? Listen it carefully. What is the need for animals to move? Like, why animals move from one place to another? Can anybody answer? Yes, they move from one place to another in search of food, water, and shelter. They move from one place to another in search of food, water, and shelter, and also move to protect themselves from their enemies. Is it clear? So now let us see how they move. In this another video, I will show you about insects. I will show you about fish, reptiles, giraffe, cows, goats, and I will show you about camels, lions, cats, tigers, last is birds. So now in the brief detail I will tell you about all these animals. Have a look on the another video.
Insects. Insects like ant, cockroach, bedbug have 3 pair of legs to move. Some insects like butterfly and housefly have wings to fly. They do not fly very high or long distance. Fish. Fish is an aquatic animal which lives in water. It swims in water with the help of fins. It moves fins forward and backward to swim in the water. Reptiles. Lizards and chameleons have 2 pair of short weak limbs to move. Animals such as cows, goats, camels, cats, lions, tigers, dogs, and deers move with limbs. They have 2 pairs of limbs, a pair of forelimbs and a pair of hind limbs. Animals such as giraffe, zebra, and deer have long slender legs to run fast. Rabbits have short forelimbs and long and strong hind limbs to leap as well as run. Camels have long legs with padded foot to walk on sand. Elephants have legs which look like a pillar to support their heavy body weight. Birds. Birds use their wings to fly and their legs to walk, hop, run, and climb. The claws in their legs differ from one bird to another, depending on their mode of life. Swans and ducks have webbed toes to swim in water. Crows and sparrow have 4 toes, 3 in the front and 1 at the back. This helps them to hold on the trees.
Now I think it is totally fit in your mind that how the animals move. In the last, I will show you about some animals which live in water and some on land also. So first is fish. Fish is an aquatic animal. Fish is an aquatic animal and it lives in water only. It have fins and gills. Fins and gills. It have fins and gills to take breathe. Now the second is about turtle. Turtle live in water or on land. It lives in water or on land means near the water. Live in water or near the water. The same with frog. Frog also live in water as well as on land also. Frog have webbed feet to swim. Frog can swim with the help of their webbed feet. Here, last is crocodile. Crocodile is, frog is live on land and in water. Crocodile. Now crocodile also can live on land and in water. Clear? Now I will show you the video. See that video?
A fish is an aquatic animal with gills and fins and living wholly in water. Turtle. Turtle is an animal which lives in or near water. Turtle have a thick shell covering its body, into which it can move its head and legs for protection. Frog. Frog is a small animal which has smooth skin, lives in water and on land. It has long, powerful back legs with which it jumps from place to place and has no tail. Crocodile is a large animal with a hard skin that lives in and near rivers and lakes in the hot, wet parts of the world.
Hope you enjoy this session. So today we will learn some sentences that we can use in our daily life. First is don't worry. Don't worry means chinta mat karo. Don't worry. Chinta mat karo. Second sentence is do it yourself. खुद से करो. खुद से वो काम, कोई भी आपको काम करना है, we can say it like do it yourself. खुद कर लीजिए. Right? And don't irritate me. Don't irritate me. मुझे तंग मत कीजिए. Next is अगर आपको किसी से माफी मांगे, like मुझे माफ कर दीजिए, we will use forgive me. Forgive me. We will use forgive me. मुझे माफ कर दीजिए. Then if you are getting late, अगर आपको ऐसे बोलना है मुझे देर हो गई. I got late. I got late. मुझे देर हो गई. I got late. अगर आपको बोलना है तो दरवाजे को चिटकनी लगा दीजिए. Bolt the door. Bolt the door. दरवाजे को चिटकनी लगा दीजिए. Bolt the door. Next is like do this work. यह काम करें. Do this work. यह काम करें. Do this work. And in the last, if you are playing something and you are waiting for your turn, then you will say, it's my turn. यह मेरी बारी है. It's my turn. यह मेरी बारी है. So children, that is all for today. And okay children, आपको मजा आया होगा इस क्लास में. In the next class, we will do keywords and question answers of the chapter. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.